Hello guys. So recently I did a class survey with around 53 participants asking them what have they purchased in the last 6 months. So as you can see, there's a lot of ones in everywhere, and well, we can do it two ways to see in each section um, how many people have purchased apparel, how many people have purchased shoes, how many people have purchased a car, how many people have purchased takeout, electronics, groceries, toys, stationery slash office supplies, self-care products, or possibly none of the above. Well, if you want to make this a lot presentable, you can have a mini chart over here that states how many each person has, or if you really want to troublesome the teacher, they can just scroll all the way down here and see your total. But I like to make my teacher's life a little bit more easier, and we can just have a neat little table over here. So how can we do that without just plugging the numbers at the bottom? Well, there is actually a formula, and the formula is called CountIf. How you do that is first, you'll just do equal CountIf, open the bracket, and then you can just write in here F4, and then you can just use this and you can write F4, or you can click in F4 and you can drag it down all the way to the range that you have needed. Then you put a comma, and then the criteria is I want that range to be only count all of the ones. So then you put a comma after the range that you have highlighted. You put in the parentheses, correct me if I'm wrong, for that terminology. You put in a 1, you close it, you close the bracket, and then you just click enter. As you can see over there, 25, cancel. Electronics, 25. And for the electronics down over on this side, it is also 25 on the F side. So if we highlight this, see, 25. Hope this video helps. If you guys have any other questions about how to calculate the mean, the percentages, anything else that marketing research have to do to present to their reports, tune in back in on the following videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye for now.